Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be discussing how to be present in the moment. Most of the time, we are not present in the moment. We are either thinking about the past or the future. We are either worried about something that happened, or we are anxious about something that might happen. And we are not present in the moment. We are not living our lives to the fullest. We are missing out on the beauty of the present moment. There are many benefits to being present in the moment. When we are present, we are more likely to feel happy, content, and grateful. We are also more likely to make better decisions and take risks. Tips for being present in the moment. 1. Focus on your breath. When you are feeling overwhelmed, take a few deep breaths and focus on your breath. This will help you to calm down and center yourself. 2. Be aware of your surroundings. Take a moment to notice the sights, sounds, smells, and sensations around you. This will help you to ground yourself in the present moment. 3. Do one thing at a time. When you are doing something, give it your full attention. Don't try to multitask. 4. Be kind to yourself. If you find yourself getting caught up in your thoughts, don't judge yourself. Just gently bring your attention back to the present moment. Being present in the moment is a skill that takes practice. The more you practice, the better you will become. It can be difficult to quiet our minds and focus on the here and now, but it is a skill that is worth developing. When we are present in the moment, we are more likely to experience joy, peace, and gratitude. We are also more likely to be mindful of our choices and actions. Being present in the moment is a journey, not a destination. It is something that we need to practice on a daily basis. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share your own tips for being present in the moment in the comments below.